per Andrew Jarman's request, this is a video of my 1950s Arvin box fan. I believe it's somewhere around the late 50s, mid 50s. It's a pretty well built little fan. 16-inch shallow pitch blades. It's not a huge air mover. It's not very quiet, but it's built like pretty much like a tank. 2-speed, small universal electric motor in the back of it. Flip around here to show you. Picked this up off of eBay for pretty cheap, especially considering the condition. Kick it on. Only thing it needed was oil. High, and there's low. You gotta love Zoom Spot oil. That's a hell of a backspin.